I'm Natalie from Hobby Base.
Hi, I'm Sophie from Mermaid Treasures.
And this week's Let's Make It tutorial is crafting this lovely Merry Christmas card using the fabulous
Jolly Holidays 12x12 paper pad.
Amazing. So let's take a look.
Okay everyone, today we are going to be making this really cute Merry Christmas card, and apart from our card blank, everything we need is going to be in this 12x12 Jolly Holidays paper pad. So you're not going to need any other paper or any other kits. All you need is your adhesives, a card blank and this pad of paper. It's got absolutely everything we need in it, and it's a really great pad, the 12x12, because all the images are really big, so they're great for cutting out, which is exactly what we're going to be doing today. So to make our card, I've got just a square white card blank, and onto that I'm going to be layering up a red piece of paper and then a black one that kind of looks like it's got snow falling on it. So the paper that we're going to be using from the Jolly Holidays pad, we're going to be using this red one with snowflakes as our red background, and then we're going to be using this sheet here, black snow. So we're going to cut out from that 2 pieces of paper, which are just slightly smaller in size, so you can see when we layer them up on our card base here, we've got about 2 or 3 millimeters of space between each layer, so it just creates a really pretty border. So you've just got a little bit of the white card showing, then some of the red, and then our main background is going to be that black with the snowflakes. So I'm just going to stick both of those down onto my card blank using a double-sided cape dispenser. I'm going to stick the red card on first, then black one, making sure we've got a nice even border around each of the edges. So that's created our base of the card. Now to create all our embellishments, all we're going to do is cut them out from the various sheets of paper within the pad. So I'm going to be using a few different sheets from here, but you can use whichever ones you want. I've used this one, which are snow globes. You can see there, all different designs in the snow globes, but I'm going to be using the penguin one because I think that is really cute. The next sheet then has got lots of different sentiments. I'm going to use the Merry Christmas from this, but you've got all different ones on there that you could cut out and use if you wanted to. Then we're also going to use from this sheet here, which has got loads of great items that you can cut out. I'm going to be cutting out the presents from this sheet. Then further on in the pad, we're going to be cutting out from this double page. We've got stockings on this side, penguins on this side. I'm going to be cutting out a couple of each of those, and then finally some of the Christmas puddings. Now you're probably thinking that is going to be using up a lot of paper, but if you just work from your edges and cut out the images closest to the edge, then you can then use the rest of the paper for something else. You're not wasting a whole sheet of paper just to get a few images. So all I'm going to do is cut all of those out from that pad, and I'm going to cut them in just a rough outline. So here are some that I've already cut out for you so you can see. Now some of these I've cut right to the edge, like the presents, and others, like the Christmas pudding, I just left a tiny little border about 1 millimeter wide the whole way around the image, just to give that a different effect. So I've got lots of different elements that I've cut out here, and then my main sentiment is going to be the Merry Christmas, which on the sheet of paper it's in a line, but I've cut the two words out separately, and we're going to stick them on the center of the card as our main centerpiece and the sentiment. I'm going to attach all of these on with some foam pads. Now because this card is only going to have the one layer, I'm using the thicker adhesive foam pad, so these ones are 3 millimeters deep, and that is just going to create a really nice 3D effect on your card. Just gives it a bit of extra interest. Stick my last image on and we're done. So you can see just how quick and easy that was. The bit that's going to take the longest is cutting out your images, but you could cut out multiple images and put together 3 or 4 cards at the same time, and you've got some lovely unique Christmas cards for people that have been made very cheaply, because you only need your card blanks and your Jolly Holidays paper pad, and that's it. That is our finished card.
That's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. We hope you loved the card that Sophie has made today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, give us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with all the videos that we'll be sharing over the coming weeks. But for now, keep crafting and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye.